In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Dropbox files in File Explorer. By the end, you'll be opening and managing your Dropbox content just like any other folder on your Windows computer, which makes everyday work faster and more organized. If you use the Dropbox desktop app, this will feel seamless. As a quick tip before we start, make sure the Dropbox app is installed and you're signed in on your computer, since that's what creates the Dropbox folder you'll see in File Explorer. First, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows plus E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, look to the left-hand navigation pane. You should see an entry labeled Dropbox, often with the familiar box icon. Click it, and you're inside your Dropbox directory. Everything here mirrors what's in your Dropbox account, organized into folders and files. Double-click any file to open it in its default app, just like you would anywhere else on your PC. If you notice little status icons next to files, like a cloud, those indicate online-only items. Double-clicking will quickly download them and then open them. Items with a check mark are already available locally and will open instantly. If you don't see Dropbox in the left pane, no problem. Look to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click the Dropbox icon there. If it's hidden, click the small up arrow to show more icons and then choose Dropbox. A small Dropbox window will appear with recent activity and shortcuts. In that window, click the folder icon. That action opens your Dropbox directory directly in File Explorer, bringing you to the same place as the left pane shortcut. For faster access in the future, you can keep Dropbox just a click away. In File Explorer, right-click the Dropbox folder entry and select Pin to Quick Access. This pins Dropbox to the Quick Access section at the top of the left-hand pane, so it's always visible, even if you're deep in other folders. If you ever want to tidy things up, you can right-click it again and choose Unpin from Quick Access. That's all there is to it. Open File Explorer, use the Dropbox folder from the left pane or the System Trays folder shortcut, and consider pinning it for one-click access. With this setup, your Dropbox files behave like local files, making it easy to browse, open, and keep your work moving without jumping between apps. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.